Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now from here, just click on to activate the Cloud Shell. And if you get any pop-up, just click on I understand and agree and continue. Here you have to simply click on continue. After that, you have to just authorize yourself. So once these things are done, we'll move forward to the lab instruction. So make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's come over here and just come to task number 1. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. Now let's clone the repository. After that, we'll change the directory. Okay, let me increase the text size. Right. Now after that, we have to export the project ID. This is done. Now we have to create a cloud storage bucket. So it is also done. Now we have to create an instance. Okay. So for that, just run this command. It will take some time, so wait for it. Just wait for the instance to get created. So finally it is successfully created. Now what you need to do, run this code, paste it enter, and just run this patch command. And just check the score for task number 1 and just come to the Cloud Shell, type Y, hit enter. So it's patching, and after that we'll be able to get the second score also. Now we have to create a database over here, right? So for the database, you need to just type SQL, Cloud SQL, and from here just click on it, databases, create a database. For the database name they have mentioned, create. Lights we have created. Now we have to create another, that is PTS database. So just copy this name, click on create database and just create it. Make sure there is no extra space or dot. So you have created all the things. Now we have to import files. Okay, so for importing files, import only, and here import, create, and from here just select PTS and click on import data. So it's importing. If you try to check the score, you will definitely get the score without any issue. So like this we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.